Myself Gaurav Kumar from WebEasy IT Solutions. Today we are going to start our Angular tutorial. In this video, we will learn a brief introduction of Angular, what is Angular, how to install Angular, and lots more in the upcoming videos. In the further videos, we will get ideas regarding the working on Angulars. Let us start with the introduction. Introduction to Angular. So Angular is a platform and framework for building single-page client application using HTML and TypeScript. I know single page may not be clear to you, but don't worry, it will be clarified in the upcoming videos. Official collaboration between Google and Microsoft. This is how exactly Angular came inside the market. And also one framework for both mobile and desktop to build client-side application. Most important thing is that Angular is a client-side application, and the structure which is going to be used in Angular is modular, and also the codes are reusable. This is how it becomes, for the development, it becomes very easy to develop. This was a small introduction to Angular. Now let us move forward with the requirements to learn the concept of Angular. How exactly we can learn Angular and what are the pre-requirements for Angular. So as you can see on the screen right now, there are four languages, four platforms which you need to learn. That is HTML, CSS, JavaScript and TypeScript. Deep knowledge of TypeScript is not required. You can also have the basic concept and you can work on Angular. So before working on Angular, you need some of the installation requirements. Okay, there are some of the platforms like Visual Code, Node, NPM, Angular, CLI, which are going to be the building block of Angular. Okay, so you can see on the screen right now Visual Code Studio or any other code editor as per your wish, then Node installation, NPM installation, Angular in CLI installation. We will be learning how to install these all things one by one. Some important website links that is visible on your screen right now and are also available in the description. The first one that is going to help you out in downloading the Visual Code Studio. The second one is going to help you in downloading the Node.js, and the third one is going to help you in downloading the Angular CLI. Now, let us move forward. As you can see on the screen right now, for Node.js, the link that is already available in the link over there, Visual Code and Angular CLI. Just remember the screen. You will get something like this. First, you need to install the Visual Code. Then you need to download as well as install the Node.js. And at last, we will be using the Angular CLI. So what exactly you need to do is download the LTS version of the Node.js. As you can see on this screen, I have already downloaded. Okay, you can download it as 64 or 32. Then Visual Code. Okay, so once you have downloaded the Node.js and installed it in your system, just open the command prompt, type node space -v. So what exactly you see on the screen is the version of Node that is installed in your system. If you are getting any output other than version, just go and uninstall the node, reinstall the node and check once again. So this shows that the node has been installed properly in my system. Okay, so now the first thing that we saw was node installation, and after that you must remember I have written npm installation. So npm is already installed with the node installation. Now you can check it by npm-v. Once again, I am getting the version of npm installed in my system. So this shows that both node as well as npm is installed in my system, as it is providing me a version. Now let us move forward to Angular CLI. So you can see the four different commands over your screen, and these are the only four commands which are going to be used for Angular, setting the project of an Angular. Here, what exactly is this npm install -g angular CLI? So here -g refers the global term, okay, angular CLI that is going to be installed. Here ng new dream app. So here what exactly is going to be done is a file is going to be created with the name my dream app. It can be changed as per your own use. Then cd, again the name of the file. So this command will let you to get inside the project, and then ng serve, which is going to run your project. This is the only 4 different commands. Now let us move forward. Open the Visual Code. You can see on this screen something like this will be visible. Now either you can use the terminal of Visual Code, or you can also use the command prompt. Now let us move to desktop, and one by one we are going to use the command of Angular CLI. You can see I have just copied the thing, and I'm just going to view these all things in my command prompt. Now you can see that the first command has been completed the execution. So what exactly you need to do, just go and use the second command. You can also use the command for your own file name. You can change the file name as per your own wish. Now what exactly is the first step is whether you need the Angular routing or not. So most of the time routing is required, so use while. Then CSS, and it will take a small amount of time, and I mean little time, to install the packages, and till that you need to wait. Now as you can see, it has been completed successfully. Now let us check whether it has been created on our desktop or not. So now here you can see my dream app has been created. Now let us open and get inside it. You can see these all files are going to be created. Now what exactly you need to do? The final command, and that is cd. This is going to be used to get inside the project. So let us use the command now. You can see I'm inside the project. Now ng serve. One more thing, you can simply use ng s in place of ng serve. This will also take little time, okay, so don't bother about this. It will take some time to execute the command. As you can see, it has been compiled successfully. So what exactly you need to do is just read the statement. Angular Live Development server is listening on localhost 4200. You can use this link, okay, you can use this link, and you just need to paste it on your browser. Now for example, I'm pasting it over here. So now you can see on the screen this is coming. So what exactly is happening now, that the program that is by default available in the Angular is going to be executed. So this is the example how exactly to set up the project for an Angular application. This is how exactly we are going to learn Angular. Please do like, subscribe and share our video. We will be updating our next video very soon. Thank you everyone.